Okay, so I bought two games earlier this morning, around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. It was Watch Dog 2 and God of War, where he got his son. And so both of them are only PlayStation 4, for PlayStation. And so it just downloaded. So this Watch Dog 2. Watch Dog 2, he's a black computer hacker. Watch Dog 1, he was a white guy who him and the guy was doing a job. He felt uncomfortable and told the guy to stop hacking, and because it was another hacker trying to break into their system while they was trying to make this big score. So he was like, just leave it alone and we will walk away, we good. So the guy kept trying to find out who the other hacker was, and the hacker sent a virus through their system, and come to find out it was a criminal organization and political. The mayor was on the hook for killing a female associate that was recorded, and so they sent people to come try to kill the one of the hackers and shot up the car in a car crash, and his little niece was killed because of the car accident. So the whole video game was about him finding out who was responsible for his niece, and it was an extremely good game. Watch Dog 1. That was on my PlayStation 3. Then I got my 4th. So once I found out it was a Watch Dog 2 and the hacker was black and he got a little crew, I had to get this game. But I had to get a PlayStation 4 and I got it around Christmas on my birthday. So okay, I'm a well, note that any point at this time you can change the difficult level. Okay. So I'm starting the game. I'm playing through the storyline because this the whole game. So it's downloading. Not downloading. It's ready. The y'all call it buffer or whatever. And I have God of War 2. I'm gonna exit out.
Quick menu. Downloads. Watch_dogs 2. New. Notifications. Online status. Online.
Dang, hold on.
Music. Help friends. Watch_dogs 2. Sound devices. Button.
Pause and
Watch_dogs 2.
notification.
Friend power. Button. Music. Button.
I want to make the video
Online status. Notifications.
too long.
Downloads. Ready to use. What? Ready to use.
Okay, God of War. So I'm a close.
Following application. Closing the following application.
There go God of War. It's downloaded. I don't want to make this video too long because I would have to upload it to YouTube first and then to Facebook. But my God of War has downloaded. But that's the first time opening it, so it's gonna do this buffer, take all long from there. See, told you. Some second confirm. 5 minutes is too long, really, to be uploading to Facebook. I have to send it to YouTube. But this is the new God of War. Him and his son. Start new game from there. I'm gonna start it just to see how it goes. Give me a story, give me a balanced experience, give me a challenge, give me God of War. Of course I'm gonna say give me God of War. Oh no, that's difficulty. So I'm just gonna say okay. So I know he's supposed to have his son and their mother died. If his mother died, I'm talking about the sons. So that'd be Kratos' old lady. R1. So I'm pushing R1 to swing the X. I'm doing it with one hand because I'm watching, making a video. So he chopped the tree down. Okay, I'm gonna end the video because it's gonna take forever to upload. On those wrists, he used to have chains that was axes. So now he probably remembering his weapons. It was these kind of swords, little short swords that had chains around them. And that's where, how he turned that around to go at son. He just picked a tree up, my nigga. Just picked the whole tree up and walked with it. Okay, use L to walk. I'm playing with one hand. I don't like it sound bald as head though. Or so do that. Try to mark trees. The following use L to stay.
Father? Something changed. The forest feels different. Yes, sir.
Well, I'm gonna end the video at 10 minutes from there because it'll take me a long time to upload to put it on YouTube. Alright. That's 9 minutes. Playing with one hand. This God of War, and I have another video game that's called Watch Dogs 2 from there. Alright, now I'm in the video 10 minutes.